Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Scooter Sue here. So today's video, there's Benidorm Crazy Marcus. Today's video, do you think Benidorm is overpriced in itself? Is it being a bit greedy, these hotels? The reason I say this, a friend of mine has recently gone back. They were looking yesterday at holidays for the middle of May. £1,800 per person just for 1 week. And that's ridiculous. Yeah, okay, I know that we're coming into peak season, but holidays for New Year were triple what they were last year. Are the hotels just getting too greedy? See, I've turned you around. I know that you've got the sun, and that really is what you come on holiday for, guys.
I think they are getting a bit too greedy. I mean, a lot of hotels here in Benidorm have done some refurbs. One of the more recent ones, of course, being the Costa and Hotel Marina. And to be fair, the refurb looks amazing, it does look pretty good, but I think the reason the prices have gone up in there is just probably because I spent a bit too much doing the refurb, so of course they want to make their money back.
So that's Marcus's opinion. And then prices also seem to be going up for things. I mean, yeah, if you shop around you still can get your cheap deals, but it is much harder now. And I know people will say, yeah, it's because of all this war stuff and the price of fuel going up. But that isn't an excuse for the hotels to be charging triple what they used to. I know the days of getting cheap holidays gone. I can remember when Marcus was young, he could go on holiday for a week for about £99 per person. You know? Coach holidays, you can't get them cheap anymore. So will people stop coming to Benidorm if they can't get the cheap deals? Only time will tell. Let's see what happens. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, what your opinion is, guys. And I'll see you on the next video.